Joy 99.7 FM.
It's 1 o'clock, time for the Joy Business Report. Coming up this afternoon, cocoa farmers demand 72.5% increase in farmgate prices of cocoa beans ahead of Cocoa Board's opening of the 2023-2024 crop season on Friday. And cash inventories and stock of goods top list of items used to secure loans from financial institutions for the second quarter. We have details from the Bank of Ghana. And later on the Joy Business Van, we'll meet Sewa Jemfi Doku, the resilient entrepreneur behind one of Ghana's fastest growing restaurant, Chop Shop. I am Beverly Brom. We settle for the details now. And cocoa farmers are calling for a 72.5% upward adjustment of the farm gate price of cocoa beans from 800 cedis to 1,380 cedis per bag for the next cocoa season. Ghana Cocoa Board announced that the 2023-2024 cocoa crop season will start from this week, Friday, September 8th, as against the initial date of October 1. Ahead of the official announcement of the new farm gate price, the Ghana Civil Society Cocoa Platform has organized a press conference to table their concerns. Topmost of them is ensuring that there is an increase in the price, which they have been selling since 2019. According to a member of the platform, Letitia Yankee, the proposed amount of 1,380 cedis per bag is less than the living income differential of $400.
Based on the working assumption of the Producer Price Review Committee, PRRC, which aims at ensuring that farm gate price is pegged at a minimum of 70% of the net free on board FOB price cocoa beans. GCPP is of the firm opinion that farmers in Ghana should be receiving a minimum of 22,080 Ghana cedis per ton, which is equivalent to 1,380 Ghana cedis per bag. That is 62.5 kilogram of cocoa beans.
Letitia Yankee is founder and chairperson of Cocoa Emma. Now, cash inventories and stock of goods topped the list of items used to secure loans from financial institutions for the second quarter of this year. This was revealed in a collateral registry second quarter report issued by the Bank of Ghana. The report showed that movable assets constitute the largest portion of items used to secure loans as recorded by the collateral registry. For some, the development shows that more financial institutions are moving away from immovable assets that were traditionally used to secure loans. The collateral registry is a body established by the Bank of Ghana to help borrowers register their movable and non-movable assets used to secure credit from financial institutions. Now, moving on, Bayport Savings and Loans Company is projecting a strong recovery for the financial sector this year after recording some losses in the latter part of last year due to huge impairments on their loan books. Managing Director of Bayport, Akwesi Agyeman, expressed confidence that the company will finish the year strongly. He was speaking to shareholders at the Ghana Stock Exchange. Facts behind the figures.
Towards the end of last year, when the macroeconomic challenges happened, as a business, we took a decision to slow down on lending. So for the last quarter of last year, we didn't do any lending. And when you don't do any lending, you see attrition on your loan book. That actually impacts your impairment charge. So there's a bit of reversal this year after we actually started originating. But a big driver of the reduction is the initiatives that we've put in place.
The International Finance Corporation has signed a €45 million loan to the Sanda Group, producers of home care and personal care products in Ghana. According to the Regional Director of West Africa at the corporation, Dalia Khalifa, the financing is geared towards expanding the manufacturing sector.
The kind of products that Sunda brings to the Ghanaian and neighboring country markets are critical for consumers. We believe that these kinds of activities not only are important for the end product, but also they add critical jobs. They help in re-engaging the Ghanaian economy so that it can recoup a little bit of what has happened over the past few years, but also expand into the future.
You heard the Regional Director of West Africa at the corporation, Dalia Khalifa. And that's the end of the Joy Business Report. Please stay tuned in for the Joy Business Van after this break.
Cargo handling can be so tiring. Having to shuffle between banks to make payments. And waiting hours for payment confirmation. And worst of all, incurring avoidable costs due to payment delays. Chalet. But with EcoBank, making cargo payment has become super convenient through their digital self-service and in-branch channels. Sail smoothly with EcoBank and experience our one-stop payment solutions for all your cargo-related payments. Pay your customs duties and all levies, terminal handling and shipping line fees, and enjoy smart financing solutions to support your cargo handling operations. Contact us on 0800 003 225 or walk into the nearest EcoBank branch to find out more. EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank.
Hello, welcome to the Joy Business Van, brought to you by EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and MTN Business. What are we doing today? Well, if you're looking for a definition of resilience, then you would have to meet Sewa Jemfi Doku, CEO of one of Ghana's fastest growing restaurants, Chop Shop. Despite the challenging business environment, the former banker has become successful in establishing a chain of restaurants. Today on the Joy Business Van, Sewa shares insights about the food and dining industry and how to stay on top.
Hello there, Joy Business Van. My name is Sewa Jemfi Doku, founder and owner of the Good Food brand Chop Shop. Welcome to our airport residential branch. Come in with me.
Sewa opened her first Chop Shop outlet in 2018. The former banker wanted to pursue something she was passionate about, so she turned to the food and dining industry.
So Chop Shop was basically a side business. I mean, what they usually call a side hustle. You know, I took it a day at a time, obviously running on really limited resources when I was working in the bank, till I finally decided that the business needed me, and so I had to move.
The food and dining industry in Ghana is really competitive, and some of the big names are foreign-owned. Sewa knew from day one she needed to have her A game on.
So for me, there's no business that people rush into a lot like the food business in Ghana. And like you testify, every day there's a new food business, you know, somewhere opening, whether online or whether physically established. But there's a lot to learn. I mean, I wish I had a blueprint to follow, or a manual to follow when I started.
Sewa didn't have a blueprint. All she had was determination to succeed, and many things she learned on the job. Chop Shop is modeled after the American restaurant chain Applebee's. Meals are carefully planned to satisfy the needs of customers. But Sewa says running a successful food business is not only about giving amazing food experiences, but the little things give the competitive advantage.
You see that in our service, you see that in our pricing, you see that even in the menu options that we offer, you know. Secondly, we also could not have gotten this far without the team spirits that we have built so far. I think that so far we've built a really solid team. Chop Shop is not just me, it's bigger than me. Chop Shop is my entire team that make it work. My managers, my kitchen staff. It's like a symphony of activity. There's a back end and there's a front end. So all of us work together to make sure that we establish more productivity and growth within the organization.
And the results are evident. In the space of 4 years, Sewa has been able to open 3 restaurants and 2 express branches.
So the vision from day one has been to establish a brand that would be known as the Good Food brand. Of course, Ghana's Good Food brand, and that's Chop Shop. Our focus mainly when it came to the food and beverage industry was not to be a fast food place, neither was it to be a fine dining place. Our focus really was to dominate the casual dining space. So for us at Chop Shop, we're big on giving amazing food experiences. So I think our recipes are unique and they're different. Our pricing is competitive. People love our oilless okra, especially for the fact that it is healthy and very green. You know, our snail sauces are different. You wouldn't find anywhere, you know, in Ghana. So those are the reasons why people choose Chop Shop every day. In 2018, when we started, obviously COVID has also come, and so it's not the same anymore. I think focus more is on deliveries than dining. People are comfortable sitting at home and ordering for food. So the challenge here is how you deliver the dining experience to the customer, you know, because regardless of the fact that they are ordering from home, the experience should be the same, so that should be the same and unique, so that they want to come back.
Sewa is constantly looking to innovate in a fast-changing food business.
In the next 4 years, as a business, I think that there's a hold on branch expansion. We want to really strengthen our internal processes and our internal structures, so that in the long term, that is able to propel our further growth as a business. But in the long term, I can tell you the Chop Shop is here to stay. And we're here as a Ghanaian household brand for generations to come. We're here as a Ghanaian franchise that's going to grow within the country and within Africa at large.
You can watch the Joy Business Van on the Joy News channel at 5 p.m. today. Do follow us on all our social media pages, including LinkedIn. The EcoBank salary account is a special account designed for workers of all income brackets desirous of receiving their salaries through EcoBank. With the EcoBank salary account, you're guaranteed all the benefits of a normal savings or current account, plus many more. EcoBank salary account gives workers free life insurance cover of up to 10,000 Ghana cedi, 24/7 access to cash and e-banking services, internet and mobile banking services, high interest on savings, no minimum balance, ability to save through the EcoBank Save As You Spend, a unique feature that helps customers to save and invest. Remember, the insurance policy covers death, permanent or temporary disability, critical illness, hospitalization, retrenchment, and more. Savings or current account holders at EcoBank do not have to close the existing account to enjoy the numerous benefits of the EcoBank salary account. Just ask your branch to switch your existing account to the EcoBank salary account. Non-EcoBank account holders should approach any EcoBank branch and ask for the EcoBank salary account. Switch your salary account today and enjoy amazing benefits at EcoBank. Call EcoBank toll free on 0800 003 wherever for further details. EcoBank is the Pan-African Bank. I am Beverly Broom. Thanks so much for your time. Ignition is next with Sammy Forson. Do enjoy.